We have here the LRC library display area. Papasok tayo and titignan po natin. We'll try to find out what is inside the LRC library of Claveria Central School. To my right, we have antiques, and of course these are very vintage materials and items displayed here at the LRC Library of Claveria Central School. Good morning, sir. I'm just taking a picture and video of what is being witnessed here inside the LRC and Library of, I repeat, this is Claveria Central School. Ayan, makikita po natin sa ating screen ang mga antigong-antigong mga materials representing, of course, the past, not only of Claveria, but the whole nation of the Philippines. So we have here the caption as mga kagamitang Pilipino noon at ngayon.